So, people, I did something. My dog is here. He likes attention. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Okay. So yeah, I did something. Hello, dog. Come on. Come on. As you see, I got an Insta 360 cam. So, we're gonna unbox it. And you're gonna look. Nice box. So excited for this. Let's see if I can get this off neatly. It's a bit sturdy. Let me see. Yep. That's the trick. You seal it sturdy on the tape there. Oh. Well, so far for a neatly clean unboxing. But it's a box. It doesn't matter. So I got it with a bundle from the theater. I saw a video like on Black Friday, so it was quite nice. It just popped up. I think it was Lolly's. So shout out Lolly, thank you. So we got a creator bundle with some extras. So like, just hop on it. Why not? So it comes with all type of goodies. Hard case. The camera, obviously itself. Beefier than expected. Box weight. So this should be good. We got here a heavy duty clamp for my motorcycle. 2008 Kawasaki ZZ50. Love it. Great bike. Came with the lens caps, obviously. Protection. You need that. Even though X5 does have replaceable lenses. So shout out Insta for that. Awesome. Mic Air. Heard some videos with it from Lali also. So this should be sounding mint. The invisible selfie stick, obviously. Much needed to get the cool angles. On the net. Yo. Poppies. Okay. That's it. Let me show you real quick. So this would all came in a box. Meanwhile, Doggy's sitting with me. So, camera itself. Nice little hard case. The heavy duty clamp. Selfie stick. Mic Air. Mic Air. Cutting. Lens caps. Mic Air. Oopsie rules. Put my knife away. I don't need it anymore now. As well, I got do some research and got a mail from Insta with like, hello dog, say hello, say hi. It's a Dutch Shepherd. Say hi. Such a sweetie. Put you down again. This aside. So I got a mail from Insta when I ordered it. They showed me like you need some type of SD card with it. A V30 type A1 or A2 to get with the action cams or Insta cameras, whatever. Looked it up, found one from Samsung at this point, closest by to me. I'm like, might as well do it. So can get some recording done. Obviously not now. Winter mode. It's winter in the Netherlands soon. Have a winter stop, mandatory for insurance. So I made an agreement with them, then I get a little bit discount that it won't dry in winter. Generally, I won't do that anyway, so for me it doesn't really matter. But yeah, coming spring, maybe do some other type of videos with this, like maybe if I go for a drive in the car or something, give me some POV, some nice night driving. I don't know, we'll see. But I can't wait to make like freaking awesome content and share it with the world. Mostly for me, for memories. If I go for travels, we should have some plans in the work, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, very excited. Looking forward to using it, testing it, figuring it out. So we'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all of you. Stay cool, ride motorcycles. See you later. Maybe dumb. Should probably unwrap this also. So let's see. Get my handy dandy knife out again. Booklets stored away nicely. Quite heavy duty. I rate it. Quite beefy. In a way, I thought it was less beefy. So I mean, I guess that's that. So all the mounting points, mounting gear, should I say? Like the hook, clamp, tripod, tool. Nice. Keep it in the bag, so I won't lose any of it. I'm clumsy enough to do so. Yay, clumsy! Woo. That's nice. Slap that back in there. So we'll not be using it in winter time, on the bike at least, not for now. But I will just keep it in nightly. Nicely. Nightly is something else. I'm really looking forward to do some nice footage though. I think that will look awesome. Oh, I can might as well put everything in the case, yeah? It all fits in there. Maybe we'll do that later. Yeah. Cool strap. Like storage compartments in it as well. Both sides. Nice. Did not expect that. Also, didn't do too much research. I saw it in the bundle, like, seems like a fair deal, so I mean, let me just take it. So Black Friday did the thing for me. Yay, Black Friday. Not too much on those sales usually, but let me have a quick look at the shop, what they have, what they sell, discount wise. Was surprised. With the added extra, with the code you got. Like the links, should I say, from the content creators. Nifty deal. Stick, mounting point there, mounting point here. Nice. Stickers, labels. You don't fit in the box. Put the condom back on. Okay, and I'll say that on YouTube. Guess we'll find out. It always goes in one way. It acts like a condom too. That's back inside. I don't want you back inside. Pause. Choice of words. It's okay. We just phrase through it. It's fine. Some more action. Rustling is sensitive. Sensitive for ears. Calming. Or anyway, I don't know. So maybe like this. It's a bit better. Still pulled back inside. Why are you doing this? Can't be bothered. Put it in the box later anyway, so let's get the lens cap out. Well, of course, tapey. Other side too, other side too. Should probably keep this a bit in camera. My first unboxing, so I mean, well, not really first. I did my Leo Vinci one. My exhaust, my Kawasaki, peeking out the back there. That was lovely. Big fan. Shout out Leo Vinci. Awesome exhaust. Also, shout out Kawasaki. Awesome bike. Thick. Nice. I'm gonna sort this out all later, but that's not really for the video. I said it was an unboxing, so I should do an unboxing. Not me being clumsy. I am clumsy. It's okay though. You just have to cut this open in order to get this one out. SD card, adapter, micro SD card, micro SD card. Trying to do multiple languages at once. Not helping. So lens cap I did, stick I did, tag I did, clamp I did. The mic air, want to see how this looks. Then we get to the camera. Admire that in its beauty. User manual. Should probably read that later. Initial pairing tip with the camera. Okay, read into that later. Comes with a case too, nice. Nice zipper. Oh, it's like a padding in between here and there is the camera. Nice. I rate that. It's quality. Probably once you're using this camera already know. Of course it's quality. No DJI also auto cut on 360 cam. I was kind of setting my eyes on these ones in the first hand, so I was like, what should I do? No really reason, so I just went with the Insta. Like, I think that will be just fine. Doubt between the X4 and X5, but with the lenses replaceable, that might be really convenient. If something tumbles down or whatever and you just damage the lenses, you can actually change them yourself. So that was a big factor for me. Of course, the night mode is nice. Gonna have to test that, obviously, but see how it goes. I'll see if I can slide. Oh, we have to fold it open. Thick. And then you get like. And there goes the camera. There go my lenses if I'm lucky. Oh, we need to use for removable lenses already. And here it is. In its glory, packaged in. Beefy. I'll put this before use. All the foils on it here still. Okay. There's 30 lenses, the action cams. Lenses are fine. Yeah, so that's it. Insta 360 X5. So excited for this. Okay, now really. I'm out. Couldn't see this. See y'all later. Bye!